Hello, how are you? My name is Ángel Mauricio Valadez Ibarra. I currently studying in the Escuela Normal Manuela Vela Camacho, the third semester of the bachelor degree in Telesecundaria. Today, we are going to work with the topic Quadratic Equations 1, which correspond to the subject of your math book.
To begin, I would like to know what you know about this topic. So below, you are presented with an example of a linear equation and another of a quadratic equation, which you should write down in your notebook and identify the parts that compose them. Once they have finished, you should also draw the following graphs with their respective behaviors and relate the type of equation to which each one corresponds by a line. Very well. Now that you are done, let's start. To begin, I will tell you about the equations of the first degree. These are formed by two members, which are the first and the second member. Inside are the coefficient, the variable, and two constants. In the case of the quadratic equation, it is composed of quadratic coefficient, linear coefficient, independent term, and in some classes it is equal to 0. The general formula is a solving method for solving quadratic equations, and it is interpreted as follows: x is equal to minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The following graphs express the behavior of a linear and quadratic equation. As you can see, the linear equation forms a straight line, but instead a quadratic equation forms a parabola. In this part, I will solve the following problems.
We solve the equation. Sum of his ages: 14 plus 42 equal 56. So the father is 42 years old and the son ages is 14 years old.
Problem 2.
First, we identify the values of A, B, and C. With these values, we substitute in the general formula and solve. The equation has two different real solutions.
Once you have visualized the solving method of the previous problems, you will now have to solve two similar problems of equations of the first and second degree on your own. Let's see how much you know about the subject so far. To finish, you must answer the following questions about linear and quadratic equations. And later, in the following table, you must order the questions where they correspond, whether they correspond to the table of linear or quadratic. And that was it. Easy, right? I hope that this video has been to your liking and that you have also managed to understand this topic better. See you until next time.